SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning on Acer Aspire 3 A315 laptop. Thank you, Sir Joseph, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the Acer Aspire 3 A315 with a Hexames 256GB, NVMe SSD Kingston 8GB of RAM, and performing a deep cleaning is a wise and highly beneficial decision that significantly enhances the laptop's performance, efficiency, and longevity. Hexames 256G. Replacing the existing storage with an SSD dramatically improves boot times, speeds up application loading, and enhances overall system responsiveness. Compared to traditional HD or even SATA SSDs, SSD offers much faster speed and write speeds, making daily computing tasks smoother and more efficient. Deep cleaning over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the laptop, leading to overheating, reduced airflow, and slower performance. A deep cleaning ensures proper cooling, prevents overheating, and extends the lifespan of internal components, helping the laptop run more efficiently. RAM upgrade Kingston 8GB. Expanding the RAM allows the laptop to handle multiple applications, web browsing, office work, streaming, and even light gaming more smoothly. If the laptop originally had 4GB RAM or less, this upgrade eliminates lag and improves overall multitasking performance. This triple upgrade is a cost-effective way to boost the performance and reliability of the Acer Aspire 3 A315. It makes the laptop faster, more responsive, and more durable, ensuring a smoother user experience while extending its lifespan. SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.